Hello students, today we will do our next chapter of biology, that is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is How do organisms reproduce? So what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals similar to themselves. What they do? They produce new individuals which are similar to themselves. So reproduction reproduction is necessary process? No. Reproduction is not necessary to maintain the life of an individual organism. Okay? In which it is not necessary to maintain the life of an individual organism. So what are the life maintaining processes? That are nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Okay? These are the life maintaining processes. But reproduction, it is not life maintaining process. So because the lot of energy of any individual organism will be spent to create more individual. Okay? In the reproduction process, lot of energy of an organism is spent to produce or to create more individual or to create new individual. So why an organism waste energy on the process of reproduction? This is the question. The answer is to produce young one of their own kind, to make continuity of life on the earth. The reproduction process is there. Reproduction result in the variation which is the base of evolution also. Okay, reproduction, it is the result in variation which is the base of evolution. Do the organisms create exact copy of themselves? We know that organisms look similar because their body designs are similar. You have seen cat. Okay, cat babies look like cat. Human babies look like human. Dog baby, that is look like dog. Body design of dog baby is similar to the dog. Body design of human being baby is similar to human being. Body design of snake baby is similar to snake. So organism looks similar because their body designs are similar. So that's why they look similar. So reproduction at its most basic level will involve making copies of the blueprint of body design. So what basic level in the process of reproduction? That is making copies of the blueprint of body design. Chromosomes, you know that chromosomes are present where? Chromosomes are present in the nucleus. And nucleus is present in the cell. So what the chromosome have? Chromosome contain information for the inheritance of features. They passes this information from parent to the next generation. In which form? In the form of DNA molecule. Chromosomes which are present in the nucleus of every cell, they have information in the form of DNA. This DNA passes from parent to the next generation. Okay? DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for making protein. DNA in the cell nucleus, okay, which is present in the chromosome, is the information source for making protein. Basic event in the reproduction is the creation of DNA copy. Okay, what is form? DNA copy. DNA copy is accompanied by the creation of an additional cellular apparatus, and then the cell divide to give rise to two cells. First of all, DNA copy will be there, then the cellular apparatus will be created, then the one cell divide to form two new cells. DNA has a double helix structure. This is the single helix. This one blue color line is the single helix. Okay. So DNA has a double helix structure. This is in the one cell. What happened during the process of reproduction? This double helix structure, this helix gets separated. Okay. Suppose this cell, it has to make the two new cell. Then first of all the DNA helix, these two strands separated, get separate, and this blue line is the single strand of this double helix. So what is this red strip? This is the copy of the parent DNA. Blue color DNA is the parent DNA, and red color is shown of the new DNA, which is the copy of the parent DNA. So copy is formed. First of all, copy is formed. Okay. What I tell you, DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for making protein. This is the information source of making protein. Basic event in the reproduction is the creation of DNA copy. So this is the basic event of formation of DNA copy. First of all, this DNA copy formed, and this DNA passes from one generation to another, and which resulted to the passing of the body design of the parent organism. Okay, this DNA, it make copy of the parent DNA, and this passes from one generation to another, which is the basic event. DNA copies is accompanied by creation of an individual additional cellular apparatus. Now only DNA is not able to form whole the cell. Cellular apparatus is also needed. What are that cellular apparatus? That is Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, cell membrane. So all these are also necessary. So next step is formation of the complete cell. So complete cell will be formed from the parent cell. One nucleus in the one cell is present. Now from the one cell, two daughter cells are formed, which are similar to the parent cell. Okay, having their own cellular apparatus also. That is Golgi body is also here. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, all the basic thing the cell will have. Surviving cells are similar to but subtly different from each other. This inbuilt tendency for variation during reproduction is a base for evolution. Okay, the cells which are formed from one cell, they are similar but subtly different. So this difference which occur during the process of reproduction, it is the base of evolution. Now what is the importance of variation? The variation which come during the process of reproduction, what is the importance of this variation? See, we will take one example to understand this concept. If there were a population of bacteria living in a temperate water, and if the water temperature were to be increased by global warming, most of the bacteria will die. Okay, We will take a population of bacteria which are living in temperate water, which are having the normal water temperature. But by global warming, we can say that water temperature increases, drastically increases. Okay, drastic change will occur in the temperature, and the bacteria population which live in that particular water, normal temperature range of the water, all the bacteria would die. But if the variation occur in some individual, that individual or variant, if they have resistance to heat, they would survive and grow further. So variation is what? Variation is changes which come into the organism by the process of reproduction. So variation is thus useful for the survival of species over time. So this is the importance of variation. So what importance variation have? Variation gives survival in advantage to the individual.